This is a Windows 11 running inside a Windows 10. If you're planning to install Windows 11 on your PC or laptop and don't want to take a risk by replacing with Windows 10, well, with the help of a virtual machine, you can install Windows 11 on your PC without the need for dual booting or replacing the current Windows 10. There are so many VM-based applications are available, but none of them aren't yet compatible of running a Windows 11 that comply with the requirements. VMware Workstation Player is an application software that emulates the hardware environment using a host and lets you install Windows 11 without any issues. This way you can run Windows 11 inside a Windows 10. Also, for those who can't run a Windows 11 on their PC due to the TPM, well, this is an alternative solution to install a Windows 11 on a virtual machine using a VMware. Hey guys, my name is KSK Ryle. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 on a virtual machine using a VMware. Let's get started. Since we are installing a Windows 11 inside a virtual machine, you need a PC or laptop running a Windows 10, 8 gigs or higher RAM is required, a 64-bit quad-core processor with a virtualization support. Also, you need a 50 gigabytes of free space available on Windows 10. Now anyway, to check whether your system support a virtualization technology, open Run, then type CMD, and inside the command prompt type system information. Now at the bottom you will see the status of the virtualization. Now if it is disabled, you have to enable from BIOS. Now without this option enabled, you cannot run a Windows 11 inside a virtual machine. By the time of recording this video, Windows 11 is in beta and the ISO can be downloaded from Microsoft using a Windows Insider program. Now go to this website, create a user account and download the Windows 11 ISO. Now make sure that you sign in from the official Windows 10 licensed computer so that you can download a Windows 11 ISO for free. Next, head over to this link and download the latest version of the open source VMware Workstation Player, which is available for personal use. Now once it's done downloading all of the files, place it somewhere on your computer for easier navigation. Now go ahead, install the VMware Workstation Player, and when it's done installing, choose to be used as personal. Now it's time to create a new virtual machine for Windows 11. Open the VMware Workstation Player. Then go ahead and click on Create a new virtual machine from the main menu. Then choose to enable the operating system later and click on Next. Now leave everything as default and make sure the version is set to be as Windows 10 x64 and click on Next. Now create a name for this virtual machine, and this is the location where all of the Windows 11 files will be stored. Now allocate the disk space of at least 60 gigs or higher for this virtual machine and make sure the host OS is left with some free space so that the virtual machine can run without crashing. Now choose a store virtual disk as a single file and click on Next. And that's it. Now we are done creating a brand new virtual machine. Click on Finish. It's time to configure the virtual machine so that the Windows 11 can run as smoothly as it can be. To do so, click on a Edit Virtual Machine under the newly created VM. Then using the slider, allocate the RAM of at least a 4 gigs or higher. The slider shows the signs with a triangle symbol, so make sure to allocate the RAM within those signs. Then for the processor, I will assign a 2 cores to be used. If your system processor supports a more physical cores, you can use as many you want. Then choose a CD or DVD option and import the Windows 11 ISO. For the network adapters, set it to be as a NAT, and this way the host OS and the guest OS can share the same IP address for the internet. Then click on OK. It's time to run the virtual machine to install Windows 11. Now keep in mind, if you press inside the virtual machine, the mouse control will be used by the virtual machine. Now pressing the Alt control on the keyboard releases the mouse control back to the host OS. Also, for the first time, if you're running a virtual machine, it will ask you to download the additional tools and update the VMware. Just gonna go ahead and download. Now once it's done downloading, inside the virtual machine, you will see a Windows 11 installer. Choose a language, time, and keyboard layout, and click on Next. Now click on Install. Now if you're having a Windows 11 activation key, you can use here. For now, I will choose this option. Then choose the Windows 11 flavor, and for now I will go with a Windows 11 Pro. Accept the license terms and conditions. Now choose the custom option, and here you can see an unallocated free space. Now go ahead and select this free space and click on New to create a partition for Windows 11. Now select the main primary partition and click on Next to start installing Windows 11. Now sit back and relax, don't interrupt, the installation will take some time. Now once it's done, you will see it should boot into a Windows 11. Now as you can see, we are inside the welcome screen. Here choose the country or region and then select the keyboard layout and follow the on-screen instructions to complete this setup. Now name the Windows 11 PC. Here you can choose it for a personal use. And now you can either sign in with a Microsoft account or use the offline account. Now Windows 11 will check for any updates and will download automatically. Now once it's done, now you will see the desktop screen of Windows 11. Now as you can see, it works fine, but if you notice, Windows 11 is not running a full screen. So we're going to fix this issue by installing a VMware tools which contains a bunch of drivers to run the virtual machine smoothly. To install the VMware tools, click on the player from the top left, then choose to manage, then select a VMware install tools. Now inside the My Computer, so you can see the DVD drive has mounted. So just gonna go ahead, right click and choose to install or run the program and install the drivers. Now as you can see, Windows 11 is running in full screen mode. You can also notice the system-wide blur effect. And along with that, the animations are rendering super smooth. Now apps just work fine and opens instantly, so there might be a little bit of a lag compared to a Windows 11 running on a physical hardware, but still it's great to use the virtual machine to test a Windows 11 and further proceed to install on main hardware. So overall, I would say Windows 11 is much refined, which is faster and concentrated towards polishing the user interface. This is how you install a Windows 11 inside a virtual machine using a VMware. So if in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up button down there and don't forget to subscribe this channel and consider hitting the bell icon to receive the post notifications of my latest videos. Thanks for watching this video. This has been KSK Ryle. I'll see you in my next one.